Before I started my YouTube channel 11 years ago, I used to do a TV gig. Yes, it was called Crank It Up. Here's one of my old shirts. Don't make fun of the name. I did that on CBS TV for a couple of decades, and people are always saying, Scotty, whatever happened to those old videos you did? Well, I dug around in my messy garage and found a bunch of these old videos. So here's some old school Scotty.
Yeah, this is one fine driving machine.
If you're like me and thinking about buying a used car, you probably have a hard time believing what the seller tells you.
Yeah, this baby was just driven around on Sundays by a little old lady from Pasadena. Or was it Deer Park?
All you need is the VIN number of the car on the door and a computer, and you can find all kinds of information about the car before you buy it. You just need to put your computer on the internet and go to Carfax.com. This is a pay-for-use website. You can get one Carfax report for $14.99 or an unlimited amount for $19.99 in case you're looking at more than one car or the car that you look at doesn't pan out. It's very easy to use. You just get the VIN number off the registration and type it in here. You have to be very careful because it has to be exact. And here comes the report with lots of information. As we can see, the title's clean, the odometer doesn't show any rollbacks, there's no problems. There's 7 registrations and 5 vehicle histories. Well, so far it's good news. It wasn't a lease, car, rental, government, taxi, fleet, commercial, or nonprofit. It was owned by just individuals. The vehicle history has 5 entries. Shows it was registered in '84 in Texas, and that every time it was emissions time, it passed all the tests. So that's good news. Hey, it really was a one-owner car. But the part about Pasadena, I kind of wonder. Now, sites like these don't give you everything about a car, but the information they give you can help you make a good decision on whether to buy a car or not, especially when they give you bad information, like this car. In this case, a 1993 Toyota Camry has a big problem. As you can see, they print their bad news in red so you can figure it out quicker. This car was brought back by the manufacturer as a lemon vehicle and sold to somebody else. And nobody wants to buy someone else's lemon. The information from the site can be really good. It can show if the title was washed, the car was totaled and then put back on the road, if the odometer was set back, if the car was stolen. There's all kinds of information that you might want to know about before you waste your money on a car that may be a lemon. And the best thing of all is you only have to type in the VIN number of the car in a computer. You don't even have to get your hands dirty. So before you regret buying a lemon,
no doubt, I regret everything.
Why not use the internet to take that sour taste out of your mouth when you're buying a used car? This is Scotty Kilmer helping you crank it up. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.